100cc 4-stroke petrol engine. So this is a 100cc 4-stroke petrol engine. This chain and sprocket 1:3 ratio. Bearing 6202 ball bearing. Shaft 15 mm diameter mild steel shaft. So this is the silencer. This is petrol tank, fuel tank, 2 liter nylon petrol tank. Frame made of mild steel frame. So this is the TEG setup. This is aluminium heat sink. This is aluminium heat sink. This is aluminium plate. Center having the TEG. Then TEG to the two wire is connected to the amplifier circuit. This is the amplifier circuit. This is the amplifier. So 10 times it will be gain. Then this is the microcontroller. PIC 16 of 877A. This is LCD display. Then this is the battery for storing that energy. The TEG energy will be amplified. Then it will be stored in a battery. Battery is 12 volt 7 ampere. Lead acid rechargeable battery. You got to connect this wire to black, red to red. The display for displaying the amplified voltage. How much amount voltage will be amplified? That will be stored in a display unit. Now the silence already in the small time of we are starting that engine. So now the 1.4 voltage will be there. Now this is the 1.4 voltage because now the engine is checked that one. Now after that you got to start the engine. The voltage will be increasing simultaneously. Now start the engine. Now start the engine. Automatically the voltage will be increased. The heat will be going there automatically and run controller. So this is the off wire. This is the off wire. Right off the engine. Now that amplified voltage will be amplified 15.6 volt. This is the amplified voltage. Actually, this is the amplified voltage. This will be stored in a battery. The battery will be stored. It will take more time because only that will be coming on 1.5 volt approximately. That will be amplified to 15 volt. So it will be ampere is very low. It will become 10 milliamps only. It will come. The battery will be 7 ampere battery. So it will take 36 hours to 48 hours. It will take to charge the battery because we are using the only one TEG thermal generator, only one TEG generator. So that heat energy will be transferred to the aluminum heat sink. Then this heat is transferred to the TEG. Then this is the natural cooling by using the air cooling, natural cooling system. Then this wire is connected to the battery amplifier. Then microcontroller is to display the how much voltage will be there. That will be displayed in the display unit. Then it will be stored in a battery. So this is the thermoelectric power generation system by using silencer, exhaust heat power generation system. So this is the project. Now the voltage will be decreasing because the engine is off now. Now the voltage will be previously 15.8, now 15.2. Similarly it will be reducing that voltage because the engine is off now. So it will be take 5 minutes for reaching that 15 volt or 16 volt.